Govee Smart Electric Kettle. Discover the perfect combination of technology and design with the Govee Smart Electric Kettle. This stylish Gooseneck thin nozzle electric kettle features variable temperature control and Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to adjust the optimal temperature to make your coffee or tea directly through the app or using voice commands via Alexa. With a power of 1200 watts, it offers fast and efficient heating. Automatic shutdown function ensures safety and energy saving. Made of 100% stainless steel, the kettle has a capacity of 0.8 L and a matte black finish that adds a sophisticated touch to your kitchen. Don't miss this opportunity. The official link is in the description.